Alright guys, so that's all the 5 colors for the new Charlotte Tilbury Limitless Lucky Lips. Lucky Long Lasting Matte Kisses. I absolutely love these lipsticks. If you know the Matte Revolution, this is matter. It's more matte. It is more opaque than Matte Revolution lipsticks. For such bold colors, I actually prefer this kind of formula than the creamy formula or satin formula. I like this kind of matte lipsticks. If you don't like liquid lipsticks because they're very drying and you still want that matte effect, I highly recommend this one because this is very comfortable. It is still lipstick. It is not thick and drying. It is just a matte, comfortable matte lipstick. It is very pigmented, very opaque. That's how you're going to achieve a very bold red lip if you have a very pigmented lipstick. I absolutely love these lipsticks. I think I prefer this than Matte Revolution lipsticks. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!